Well, hey guys, welcome to a new video. I had my friend Ted come over. We did a little wheeling and dealing on some lawn tractors, and he brought over these two radios for me to work on. This one is an Admiral. What is this? I can't read that. Well, it's some kind of radio. What does that say? Charlene? I don't know what that says. Well, oh, you know what? It's probably an Airline. It's just such a flowy, scripty cursive there. I couldn't make it out at first. So I'm going to be working on that. And this one, get that box out of the way. This guy appears to be an All-American 5 radio. 12SK7. Yep, it is. I'm going to do this one first, though. I just got to clear the bench. I've got multiple projects on here, as always, that are half finished. So, got to just get that out of the way. He also gave me this Wallensack reel-to-reel. It actually works. It hums really bad, but it works. So that's cool. So, we're just going to check out this guy right here and see what's going on. I think all it needs is some caps. Okay, well, I finally got it out of the cabinet. It really did not want to come out of that cabinet. It was pretty tough. I didn't want to pry on anything and crack the plastic, but yeah, we got some little damage on the speaker. Very simple. This looks like it's probably from the mid-60s. Probably no newer than 64 or so. I'm gonna... Looks like I only got one major cap in there to replace. So I'm gonna try to get these speakers out of here and get everything out of here, and then wash the front of this. And then that, he wants to make sure that I don't ruin these, so I'm gonna be very careful and try to wash this cabinet without ruining those paper labels there. Okay, well, I got everything out of the cabinet. These were really hard to get out because I don't have a nut driver that small. So those are what hold the speaker in. So I might have to just go either put them back in with pliers or go out and get some screws that'll work with that. But I might be able to get them back in with pliers. I got the old cap out. And the new ones are already in place. I just got to solder them in there. Not too pretty, but it'll work. Then I'll put the tubes back in, and I cut these just because I wanted to get them off of there. And I'm going to put new wire here. You know, I have a red and a blue wire that'll go on there. Those go to the speakers, and then we'll get this thing, see if it works. Okay, got my super safe setup here. I did get it to make some noise. It was making noise earlier. Well, it's living again. This tube and this tube were both burned out. That's why it died.
City that had been torn asunder together again. I think that's what we need. The way we atone for original sin.
Well, I guess I can put it back in the cabinet now.
230
Alright, well, I got it all back together, and the dial pointer was off a little bit, but I fixed that.
Magic 590 and 100.5. Security assistance.
Sounding pretty good. So, I think we're done. Cool.